Welcome to our journey into the world of yoga, crafted for young girls aiming to boost their health and wellness. Yoga isn't just about flexibility, it's a powerful tool offering myriad benefits for both body and mind. Imagine feeling more energetic, reducing stress, and improving concentration, all through the gentle practice of yoga. Today, we'll explore how yoga can become a cornerstone of your healthy lifestyle. Whether you're new or experienced, this introduction will set the stage for a routine that is both empowering and calming. Each pose is a step towards a healthier you. Let this be the start of your yoga journey, inspiring you to embrace wellness with open arms. Stay with us as we delve deeper into how yoga can transform your life, one breath at a time. Let's get started. Many girls today face health challenges that impact their daily lives. Stress, inflexibility, and low energy levels are common concerns. These issues can hinder focus and participation in activities. But there's a path to overcome these obstacles. Embracing a healthy lifestyle is crucial, and yoga offers a powerful solution. Through mindful movement and breath control, yoga helps manage stress, enhance flexibility, and boost energy, fostering both physical and mental resilience. By incorporating yoga into their routine, girls can effectively address these challenges. This segment sets the stage for exploring how yoga can transform their health journey. Discover the empowering benefits of yoga tailored just for you. Now, let's explore yoga's impactful role in enhancing health and wellness in our next segment. In a world bustling with challenges, yoga emerges as a beacon of hope and health. Beyond just exercise, yoga offers a holistic approach to well-being. For girls facing stress, low energy, or lack of flexibility, yoga presents an effective solution. By integrating yoga into daily routines, these common health issues can be addressed with grace and ease. Yoga empowers girls to connect deeply with their bodies, fostering strength, flexibility, and tranquility. It's more than just movement. It's a journey towards inner peace and resilience. With every pose and breath, yoga cultivates balance and mindfulness, serving as a refuge in the fast-paced world. It transforms daily life by instilling habits that promote long-term wellness. As we delve deeper into this practice, remember that each pose is a step towards overcoming life's challenges with poise. Stay tuned as we guide you through a simple yet powerful yoga routine designed specifically for you. Embrace this opportunity to enhance your health and discover the benefits yoga can bring. Join us in the next segment as we explore the steps to incorporate these practices into your everyday life. Welcome to your personal yoga session, designed just for you. Today, we embark on a journey of self-discovery and health enhancement through a guided yoga routine. Let's start by finding a calm space where you can fully immerse yourself in the experience. As we begin, take a deep breath and release any tension. Our first pose is the mountain pose, a simple yet powerful stance that grounds you and sets the foundation for balance and stability. Next, transition into the tree pose, a test of your balance and focus. Shift your weight to one foot, place the sole of your other foot on your inner thigh, and bring your hands to prayer position at your chest. Now let's flow into the warrior pose, embodying strength and determination. Step one foot back, bend the front knee, and stretch your arms wide. Ease into the downward dog pose, a gentle stretch for your back and legs. With hands and feet firmly on the ground, lift your hips to the sky, creating an inverted V shape. Finally, conclude with child's pose for relaxation and reflection. Kneel down, stretch your arms forward, and rest your forehead on the mat. Congratulations on completing this yoga sequence. Take a moment to appreciate the difference you feel. Remember, yoga is a journey, not a destination. Keep practicing regularly to continue reaping its rewards. Ready for more? Stay tuned as we explore how to incorporate yoga into your daily life. As we conclude this journey into the world of yoga, remember, true health is not a destination, but a daily practice. By embracing yoga as part of your routine, you open the door to a world of benefits, greater flexibility, increased energy, and a calmer mind. It's not just about the poses. It's about nurturing a lifestyle that supports your well-being. We encourage you to integrate these simple practices into your life. Make yoga your daily companion and witness the transformation it brings. And if you're eager to explore more, we have plenty of resources waiting for you. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest health insights and yoga routines. Together, let's build a healthier future, one pose at a time. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards wellness. Your path to a healthier life begins today. Embrace it and let yoga be your guide.